The White House is one of the most protected buildings in the world. Every door, every hallway, every room is guarded by layers of security. But very few people ever think about one surprising thing: the president's food. For most people, eating lunch is simple. You order food, cook something quickly, or sit at a restaurant without thinking twice. But inside the White House, preparing a single meal for the president becomes a serious operation involving security officers, professional chefs, food inspectors, and strict military-level procedures. Deep below the White House, hidden from tourists and cameras, staff members work in highly controlled kitchens where every ingredient is monitored carefully. Nothing enters casually. Nothing is left unchecked. Before any cooking even begins, ingredients arriving at the White House go through multiple security inspections. Vegetables, meat, spices, sauces, desserts, everything is carefully examined. Delivery routes are tracked, packaging is inspected. Security officers look for any sign that a shipment was opened, replaced, or tampered with during transportation. Even a tiny damaged seal can create suspicion. If something appears unusual, the entire shipment can immediately be rejected and destroyed. Because when it comes to protecting the president, there is no room for risk. Inside the kitchen, chefs begin preparing meals with incredible precision. These are not ordinary cooks. Many White House chefs are among the best culinary professionals in America. They are trained not only to prepare luxury meals, but also to work under extreme pressure. A White House chef must understand timing perfect. Food cannot arrive late, temperatures must remain exact, and every plate must meet strict standards. Sometimes, world leaders from different countries visit the White House for important meetings and state dinners. During these events, the kitchen staff may prepare meals for hundreds of guests, while also maintaining maximum security for the president's food separately. The process becomes even more intense during special holidays like Thanksgiving. One of the strangest traditions in America involves the famous White House turkey. Every year, a giant turkey is selected and brought to Washington for the presidential turkey pardon ceremony. But these birds are not ordinary farm animals. They are specially raised for appearance and presentation. Many are trained for months to stay calm around cameras, flashing lights, loud crowds, and reporters. Handlers expose them to noise and attention repeatedly, so they do not panic during public events. Some of these turkeys become incredibly large, far bigger than average birds seen on regular farms. They are carefully transported under supervision and often treated almost like celebrities before arriving at the White House. When people watch the ceremony on television, it may look funny and harmless, but behind the scenes, security teams still inspect everything seriously. The White House does not take chances. Back inside the underground kitchen areas, staff members continue their work with military-like discipline. Certain ingredients are sourced only from approved suppliers. Trusted farms and companies are selected carefully. Background checks may even be performed on some workers connected to food preparation or delivery chains. The idea is simple: reduce every possible danger before food reaches the president. Food safety experts also play an important role. Meals may be tested multiple times for contamination or dangerous substances. Kitchen surfaces are sanitized constantly. Storage temperatures are monitored carefully every hour. Even water quality matters. Some reports over the years have suggested that presidents often avoid eating random outside food unless it has been properly cleared by security teams first. Spontaneous meals from unknown restaurants can become a serious security concern. This level of caution may sound extreme, but history explains why these rules exist. World leaders have always faced potential threats, and poisoning has remained one of the oldest dangers in politics for centuries. Kings, emperors, generals, and presidents throughout history often relied on food tasters or trusted kitchen staff. Modern technology has changed the methods, but the fear itself never disappeared. Inside the White House, advanced systems now help monitor every stage of food preparation. Security cameras observe sensitive areas. Staff movement is controlled. Access to certain rooms is restricted. Only authorized personnel can enter critical kitchen sections. And despite all this security, the chefs still have one difficult mission. The food must taste amazing. The President of the United States hosts diplomats, billionaires, military leaders, athletes, and celebrities from around the world. Meals become part of diplomacy itself. A badly prepared dinner could create embarrassment on the international stage, so presentation matters just as much as safety. Chefs spend hours designing menus that reflect culture, elegance, and American tradition. Sometimes meals are simple. Sometimes they are extremely luxurious. Different presidents also have very different tastes. Some presidents preferred healthy foods and vegetables. Others loved fast food, burgers, steaks, or desserts. Donald Trump became especially famous for his preference for fast food. Reports frequently mentioned his love for burgers, fried chicken, pizza, and well-done steak served with ketchup. To ordinary people, that may sound surprisingly casual for a billionaire president living inside the White House. But from a security perspective, there was another reason behind it. Large fast food chains follow standardized preparation systems. Meals are produced in highly controlled environments, which can sometimes reduce certain unpredictable risks compared to unknown locations. Still, once food entered presidential environments, security protocols remained extremely strict. Every plate served to the president passed through multiple layers of oversight before reaching the dining table. And then there is timing. White House schedules move constantly. Meetings change suddenly, emergency calls happen without warning, international crises can erupt at any moment. Kitchen staff must adapt instantly. A dinner planned for 7 p.m. may suddenly need to be delayed or replaced completely because of breaking national security issues. Imagine preparing a perfect steak while military advisors rush through hallways discussing global conflicts. That is the strange reality inside the White House. Pressure never stops. Even after meals are served, operations continue quietly behind the scenes. Kitchen teams clean, inspect, organize, and prepare again for the next event. Another shipment arrives. Another inspection begins. Day after day, year after year. Most Americans never see this hidden world. Tourists walk outside the White House, taking photos, completely unaware that underground kitchens are running like high-security command centers. For the public, a presidential meal may seem ordinary, just food on a plate. But behind every soup, steak, dessert, or cup of coffee lies an enormous system built around protection, precision, and secrecy. Thousands of invisible details work together so that one person, the President of the United States, can safely sit down and eat dinner. And perhaps that is what makes the story so fascinating. Because something as simple as food becomes transformed into a massive national operation involving trust, fear, technology, planning, and power. In the end, the president may quietly finish the meal in just a few minutes. Maybe the food receives a compliment. Maybe nobody says anything at all. But hidden beneath that ordinary moment is an entire unseen machine working endlessly in silence. A machine most people will never notice. And that is what makes the White House kitchen one of the most mysterious dining rooms in the world.